This quick lesson will focus on using Google Drive to initially create for Classroom. Before getting all bogged down into where you're going to create, just start creating. What do you want to share with your students electronically? Start in your Drive. This is my Drive. You can see that I use folders and colors to help me keep things organized. I start with the year I have opened this year. All adapted PE things go in that folder. Next, you can see a Google folder that I am not sharing at this level. I made that one red so I wouldn't get confused. I can create in this folder and know that only I see what's inside. Then comes my Google Shared folder. This is my collaborative folder, which I colored blue. Anything that I create in this folder is automatically shared with who I originally shared the folder with. This folder is shared with all of the innovative educators and district office people who need access. Because it is shared at the top, I do not have to reshare each document. Everything inside is automatically shared with those people. Inside the collaborative folder, I have created folders for all of the classrooms I'm planning for this year. Each separate class is marked. I also made a generic set of instructions that can be opened and then modified. It has the standard click open that I learned from Alice Keeler last year. Within this course, I then created folders that represented the different units that I anticipated we would work on. This is what Classroom Tips and Tricks looks like so far. I have my instructions and then the beginning parts of this presentation that I will then convert to an MP4 using a recording program like Gene. By working in Drive first, I have a chance to think about what I want to do, have a way to collaborate with my peers, identify obvious weaknesses and fix them, and save my work for future use in editing purposes. While it's important to refresh every year, I don't have time to recreate the wheel. I made copies of everything from last year and organized them into a new folder as I did it. I then modified the instructions to reflect my new understandings. I then just use a split screen so that I can see both Classroom and my Drive. Copy and paste the correct information, link the appropriate documents, and done.